What up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see, you can release. You click go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and drop a like on the video and comment down below. And there you guys go.